Hey guys and welcome in 2025. Today we show you a way how to mix your USDT stablecoins to hide the traces of your funds and maximize your privacy and anonymity. The link of the Tether Mixer can be found in the description. Firstly, you have to select the chain on which the USDT is you want to mix. In our case it's now Ethereum. On this page we have to enter our forwarding address, where the clean and mixed USDT coins will be sent to. We can also split our clean coins on different addresses, so as example if we add an address then we will receive our clean USDT coins on two addresses split, as example 50% on the first address and 50% on the second address. For now, we just use one address. There is an option to select a delay for added security and privacy. This means you will receive your clean USDT coins after 17 minutes in our case. Another option are the service fees, which adds another layer of security and privacy for the mixing process. The fees going to the service itself. After everything is done, continue on the mixer. Now you get a USDT address and a QR code where you have to send your dirty USDT coins you want to mix. When you send the dirty USDT and the transaction is confirmed, then you will receive your clean USDT coins on your address you entered on the previous page after the custom set delay, which is 17 minutes in our case. After the delay you should receive now your clean USDT coins, which you can use everywhere without any problems as there are no traces left. We hope this tutorial help you to mix your USDT coins and to maximize your privacy with this tool. Thanks for watching and have a good day.